Mapayat ako pala.
Workout.
Ay, my choice. Teka, ano ka nag-aaral pa ko kanina? Ini, pakumanin ka tayo mo. Yaon yan naman sa kumayong space naman, ibig sabihin, hindi maaga, lakaw siya. Okay? So, bakong katani, kaya ako nagtataas na bababa. We can count paper. Sa isip-isip ko, ay, salamat sa inyo. Okay, Annabelle, so today we have all the pink units. Okay? This is pink. Okay, talking this here. Okay, so this is small. It's very, very small. It's tiny.
Ding ang bato.
We're not supposed to put that in your mouth, okay? Please stay over here. Okay, so this is big. This is small. Small. Can you show me big? Can you show me small? Okay, so now we are going to make a tower. Are you ready to watch? That's right, that's the smallest one. And it's going to come top of the tower. Okay? Usually pag presentation, pagtapos ng presentation, uupakan mga ayan. Iya talaga, parang
Jeremiah.
sa classroom.
Jeremiah.
Naman kaya baga, di kapit percent na. Ikaw nga ako patapos na si klase. Okay, so let's count how many cubes we have. Okay, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this is the bin number sure. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah, good job. You know how to count all the things to be fair. Okay, so now it's time for us to put it back. Okay, watch me again. So when you put this back, you're going to start with the big one. Okay, that's right. So, ibabalik na ninyo yung may mga variation niyo. Okay? So, tandaan ninyo sa naba, para din pagparagamitin kung sa insain ng pink cubes. Taduan baga, kung sa insain na pintaan mo. Tsaka kulang din kayo. Kaya ma-ordinary ako kung nangutan. Kada hindi ko baga tigkagamit, hindi ko man baga tigkapercent kulang. So, dapat talaga antigharin mo lang siya. Anything na incomplete na material, dapat halin mo lang siya. Pwede man siya magagamit din tayo. Pag pinakount mo, then may makuman siya. Pero nag-order na ako kanina yung pinakasalit. Yun man lang ako kulang pa. So, papahilihan ko na kamukhang variation pa kami. Bako lang yung sa wrong way. Yun. So, may salitang way. Okay. Pahilihan ko na lang.